October 11th every year has been set aside as the Girl Child's Day across the globe. And in Ogidi, the Adaogidi 2024 Miss Nnuta Ujunwa Josphine has taken it upon herself as part of her social responsibility to visit schools in Ogidi. Miss Ujunwa visited City Comprehensive Secondary School as well as Chinua Achebe Secondary School, where she mentored the girl child.
I decided to work on myself, because I do have stage fright, so I decided to work on the way I carry myself, the way I speak to people, and my confidence, my self-esteem. So I got better. That's how I was able to in 2023, 2024. So it depends on your mindset. Just believe you're going to do it and work on your self-esteem. Don't let anybody tell you you cannot do it. You can.
SS3 female students of Kaiso School, I hereby channel out my votes of thanks to this wonderful personality. If I'm asked in a brief moment to state what I've just observed within those few minutes I saw her, I'll say, wow, she's wonderfully made. Come to us.
And read your books.
Okay, my pleasure, sir. Ngala Igbo is pleased to be here.
Thank you.
Thank you, sir.